Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Just got back from the garden center, my local nursery, which is called Stamps, and I just picked up a couple of great looking grape vining plants. So I'm kind of just looking for a nice spot to build a trellis for them and get them in the ground. I'm gonna clear this all out right here. Yeah, I really like this spot. I think I'm definitely no grape expert, so we'll see. Just got done putting my T-posts in over there, so I guess I'm just gonna be using some 14 gauge wire to tie to my fence, my cattle panel, and my T-post. So I'm just gonna use a little scrap 2x4, and I'm just gonna try and raise the cattle panel just a little bit off the ground. So I got my T-posts all in. When Noah was filling my garden, I was showing you my garden and that snake popped up. Unfortunately, I think the little guy got ran over when Noah was kind of doing his little loop around down here to go back up and till. And poor little guy definitely got ran over, I think. So how unfortunate. He was a chill little guy, but he got smushed. This is what it's looking like, guys. Dude, I just got like 5 bugs in my Alright guys, so here are the grape plants I picked up today. So, got 3 of them, of course. So I have a Mars grape, which never even heard of it, I'm not even gonna lie, but it sounded good. I looked it up and it said it's got a really sweet flavor, close to Concord, which is the other 2 plants. These are both Concords. When I go to plant all these, I'm gonna throw a little water in the bottom of the hole just to help it stay a little moist down up in there. Just like that, guys, our last grape is in the ground. Very exciting. Alright guys, so I just wrapped up planting all of our grape plants. Now I did go ahead and remove these flimsy little bamboo post thingies. One of them wasn't even being supported by it. The other one only had 2 little tendrils attached, so went ahead and just took those out for now. They really weren't doing anything. But I did go ahead and kind of just manipulate the plant and kind of just wrapped it around the fence itself. So it will hopefully just start to latch on right away. And I did that to all the plants. This one, our Mars grape, didn't even have a support on it. So it should just right away just start vining up our fence. And then just did the same thing over here, just took out that support post and manipulated it a little bit and just wrapped it around our fence. So I think it turned out great, guys. Let me know what you think. It was a fun little project, and definitely excited to do little projects like these. Let me know what you guys think of how it turned out, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, guys.